Hi everyone, this is Sumit here and welcome to my channel Excel with Sumit. In this video, I'll explain multiple usage of sequence formula. For example, I'll help you explain how to create numbers sequentially in Excel in a vertical format and then in the horizontal format. And then I'll explain how to get numbers sequentially and prefix with something. After that, I will explain how to generate matrix of numbers. If you want 2 by 3 matrix, 4 by 5 matrix or 3 by 2 matrix. So in all format, you can generate matrix of numbers with sequence formula. After that, I will explain how to get number with a custom start value and then also use a step value between the numbers. I will also explain how to get sequence of the dates in Excel, and then I will also explain how to get alphabet sequentially from A to Z and then Z to A. Also, using sequence, I will explain one interesting thing, that is how to create calendar within Excel. For example, here I have created a calendar for June month here. So let's go ahead and understand this step by step. To get a number sequentially and vertically in Excel, you have to write formula is equal to SEQ, press tab key, and then here write number 10 and then press enter. Automatically, you'll get number sequentially from 1 to 10. Now suppose if you want to make it 100, then you can change the number 10 to 100 and then you'll get a sequence of 100 numbers. Now, if you want to get this horizontally, you need to write is equal to SEQ, press tab key, and then here you'll write number 1, press comma, and then if you want sequence of 20 numbers, then write number 20 and press enter. You will get 20 numbers sequentially in Excel. Now suppose if you want to prefix numbers with a value, you can do is write equal to, and here if you want to prefix the number by suppose hash, in double quotes you will write hash, close the double quotes and press ampersand symbol and then write sequence formula and then write number 10, close the bracket and press enter. Instantly you'll see that you have got 10 sequential numbers in Excel and it is prefixed by hash. Now suppose if you want to get matrix of numbers, you write is equal to SEQ, press tab key, and here if I want 3 by 4 matrix, then you'll write 3 is the row, press comma and 4 is the column and then close the bracket and press enter. You see that here you have got 3 rows and 4 column matrix here. And suppose if you want to get 10 by 10 matrix, you can change this number 3 and 4 to 10 and 10. So I'll delete 3 and write here 10 and then I'll delete 4 and write number 10 here. You'll see that you have got the number from 1 to 100 in a 10 by 10 matrix. Now suppose if you want to get custom start and step value, for example, you want to start the number by 4 and you want after 4, the step should be 4 count. For example, you want value from 4 and then 8, then 12, then 16. Then for that, you'll write function is equal to SEQ, press tab. Now suppose you want values until 20. So you'll write here 20, press comma, write number 1. You want the number to start with 4. So you'll press comma, write number 4, press comma, and the step value here is 4 again. So you'll write again 4 here, close the bracket and press enter. You see that you have got the value in the multiple of 4 as we mentioned earlier. Now suppose if you want to generate sequence of dates, then you can write is equal to, write again sequence formula, you write SEQ, press tab. Now here suppose we want 5 dates, so we'll write number 5, press comma, and you want 1 column, so we'll write 1. And now we want to start the date with 1st May 2025. So we'll write function date. So I'll write DATE, we'll press tab. Now here the year is 2025. So I'll write 2025. The month is 5. So comma 5. The day is 1st. So write comma and then 1. Then I'll close the bracket and again close the bracket and we'll press enter. We see that we have got the dates, but it is in general format. So I'll select the dates here and then go to home. And then in the drop down here, you can select the short date here. You see that you have got sequence of dates starting with 1st of May. Now suppose if you want to get alphabet sequence starting with A, you can write is equal to sequence, press tab. Now you want 26 alphabets. So I'll write here 26. I'll press comma. I'll write number 1. To get the alphabets, we have to write here start number should be 65. And we'll close the bracket and then we'll press enter. Here we see that we have got a sequence of number from number 65 onwards. Now we'll use a function called char. So before this we'll write CHAR, we'll press tab and then we'll press enter and then we'll press yes. We see that we have got the numbers from A to Z. Now suppose if you want the numbers to be in descending order from Z to A, then you can double click this and then start the number here from 90. So write here 90 and then we'll press comma and then here the step should be -1 because here we want in the decreasing order from alphabet Z. So we'll write here -1 and then we'll press enter. We see that we have got the sequence of alphabets starting from Z to A. Now suppose we want to create a calendar for June 2025. So we'll press here equal to, we'll write SEQ, press tab here. Now suppose we want in 6 rows and we want 3 columns. So we'll write 6 rows and then we'll press comma. We'll press here 3. Now the start should be 1st June 2025. So again we'll write here function date. We'll write DATE, press tab. Now here year is 2025, press comma, month is June, so it is 6, press comma, and the day is 1. Now we'll close the bracket and again close the bracket. We'll press enter here. We see that we have got the dates in a general format. So we'll select these dates and now we'll press Ctrl 1 shortcut. Here we have got format cells dialog box. So we'll go to custom and suppose here we want to get the dates in DD MMM format. So we'll select this, press backspace. Now right here DD, then we'll press hyphen and then we'll press MM. So the format will be DDMM format. Now we'll press OK. We see that we have got the dates from 1st June to 18th June. Now suppose you want to have the dates for June and July, then you can double click this and rather than having 6 rows, let's make it 20 rows and then press enter. We see that we have got long list of days. Now you want all the dates to have consistent format. So you'll select the cells and then go to home tab and then double click the format painter symbol here. And then you will select all the rows here to get the desired format. And then we see that we have got all the dates of June and here we are also getting all the dates of July. This completes the different usage of sequence formula in Excel.